Hello, kids! Let's count from 1 to 10, starting with 1 and moving on to 2. 1! 2! 3! 4! 5! It's time to paint! Let's color these numbers in rainbow sequence, starting with orange. But don't forget to paint the tongue of the numbers with red. Now we use yellow! Green! Blue! Pink! Now we will drawing and count to the 6 to 10. Sacks! 7! 8! 9! 10! Finally, 10! It's painting time! Let's make the same of the other numbers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10! Woof! It's a lot of numbers, isn't? If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, as well as watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids!